Hi, I'm Robert from Harnois Greenhouses. I'm really thrilled to be here at Cultivate. And I'm doing a follow-up on the Tunnel Pro Plus that we introduced last year. The new update is on our Easy Anchor system for all types of soils. We've also added in our new structural gutter system for better water management, and also gives us the structure more integrity against wind and other environmental pressures. The third part on the structure is we've opened up the end walls with these 13-foot high slanted rolling ends that allow for better end-to-end ventilation and also access for large equipment. So if you're in the field and you want to get under poly but not at a greenhouse price, you would come to the Tunnel Pro Plus. The last part of the greenhouse update is the polyethylene covering. We've developed a polyethylene with a sun cool, so it'll keep your product cooler, and you'll have a nicer product, a better product all around. So in the end, if you're interested in knowing more about the Tunnel Pro Plus, you can contact me personally, Robert. My cell number, 450-916-7800. Or you could go on our website, Harnois Greenhouses, and we're out of Quebec, Canada, and we welcome all people from around the world, Americans. We just enjoy having you contact us. It would be a pleasure to serve you. Thank you, and have a nice day.